thought for the day, जा रहना नहीं एत जग, ता कायत गर्भ हंडिए. Since one is not destined to remain in this world anyway, ਮੰਦਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਆਖੀਐ, ਪੜ ਅੱਖਰ ਇਹੋ ਬੂਝੀਐ. Do not call anyone bad, read these words and understand. ਮੂਰਖ ਨਾਲ ਨਾ ਲੂਝੀਏ. Don't argue with the fools. Unit 2 Solutions Part 2 Ideal and Non-Ideal Solutions. Ideal solution. A solution is said to be ideal solution if it obey the following conditions. First one, it should obey Raoult law at all concentrations. The enthalpy of mixing of pure component to form solution should be zero, that is delta H mixing should be zero. The volume of mixing should also be zero, that is delta V mixing should also be zero. And AA and BB interaction should be near equal to those AB interactions as shown by the animation. Only component 1 AA interaction, component B having BB interactions. When these are mixed, solution is formed and new interaction AB are formed. The AB interaction should be equal to AA and BB interaction. Only then we will get the ideal solution. As blinking AA-BB interactions, they should be equal to AB-AB interactions. Examples are solutions of N-hexane and heptane, bromomethane and chloroethane, benzene and toluene, etc. Non-ideal solution. A solution is said to be non-ideal if it obeys the following condition. Number one, it does not obey Raoult law at all concentration. Number two, the enthalpy of mixing, delta H mixing of the pure component to form solution should not be zero. The volume of mixing should not be zero, that is delta V mixing should not be equal to zero. AA and BB interaction should not be nearly equal to those AB interactions. And as we are seeing that not is put it in ideal solution, then it become non-ideal. The vapor pressure of such solution is either higher or lower than predicted by Raoult law. If it is higher, the solution exhibits positive deviation, and if it is lower, it exhibits negative deviation from Raoult's law. Positive deviation from Raoult law. In case of positive deviation from Raoult law, AB interaction are weaker than A between AA and BB. This means that such solution molecules of AB will find easier to escape than in pure state. This will increase the vapor pressure and result in positive deviations. For such solution, delta H mixing greater than 0, delta V mixing greater than 0, and for Raoult law P, that vapor pressure of a component 1 in solution will be greater than expected by the Raoult law. And similarly for component 2 also, the vapor pressure expected by the Raoult law will be greater than that. And example are mixture of ethanol and acetone, mixture of carbon disulfide and acetone. Positive deviation from Raoult law graphically. We are first seeing the ideal behavior, and these are the ideal behaviors, and now red lines, these are shows the positive deviation. Curve is upper side, that is positive deviation. Now negative deviations from Raoult law. In case of negative deviation from Raoult's law, the intermolecular attractive forces between AA and BB are weaker than those between AB and leads to decrease in vapor pressure resulting in negative deviations. For such solution, delta H mixing less than 0, delta V mixing less than 0, and the vapor pressure of each component will be less as expected by the Raoult law. And examples are mixture of phenol and aniline, mixture of chloroform and acetone. And shown in the diagram, first we are showing the ideal behavior for P1, ideal behavior for P2, and for solution ideal behavior curve 1, 2, 3. Now negative deviation, graph is moving downward, and blinking red line showing the negative deviation from Raoult's law. And azeotrophs, Azeotrophs are binary mixture having the same composition liquid and in vapor phase and boil at a constant temperature. In such cases, it is not possible to separate the component by fractional distillation. There are two types of azeotrophs. First one is minimum boiling azeotroph. The solution which shows a large positive deviation from Raoult law from minimum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. For example, ethanol water mixture obtained by the fermentation of sugars on fractional distillation give a solution containing approximately 95% by volume of ethanol. Once this composition, known as azeotrope composition, has been achieved, the liquid and vapor have the same composition and no further separation occurs. Next is the negative maximum boiling azeotrophs. The solution that show large negative deviation from Raoult law for a maximum boiling azeotrope at a specific composition. For example, nitric acid and water is an example of this process of azeotrope. And this azeotrope has a approximate composition 68% nitric acid and 32% water by mass with a boiling point of 393.5 Kelvin. And thank you for attending the lecture. Be at home, be safe. Thank you.